Okay, we've got Inwood Adande here, so he's our environmental champion for individual at the National ACR Awards. So Ian, congratulations, it's a great
Thank
award
you.
on winning that award, environmental champion. So let's talk about environmental issues. How much the environmental issues drive you and Adande to create the better solutions?
I think for us, we try and come at it from the end user product situation. So for us, there's a lot of talk about environment, but what does it actually mean for the customers buying product? And I think that's where we try and focus our offering. We certainly offer energy saving, but the big thing we focus on is the quality of the food. Because at the end of the day, that's what all our customers are selling to their customers.
Yes.
So food quality, shelf life, and that comes back to energy saving. And that's where we focus, and we've done that in the Adande drawer offering, and we're also doing that in the Aircell offering.
Yes, and they're impressive products. So let's talk about your career for a moment. Your career really is packed with projects connected to environmental issues. So can you tell me about some of the highlights of your career and environmental issues related to those?
Yeah, I started off in a very strange environment of heating, ventilating, air conditioning, and I ended up in the industrial sector of that. So I was working in petrochem, oil and gas, power generation, and after working in that for quite a number of years, we set up our own engineering consultancy. And we did that for a number of years successfully, and then we got that swerve ball that came into us. Somebody just said to us, do you know the problem with existing refrigeration? When you open the door, all the cold air falls out of it. And that just set us off on our drawer product of how you can actually get around that. And it's a long process trying to make that work. And then again, we had the same thing with the supermarkets, where in a retail environment you have the cold aisle syndrome, all the cold air falling out of those great big cabinets. And again, we decided we'd address that, and we've got a great technology to deal with that. So yeah, a lot of things that you could have just turned your back on, and we decided, no, come on, this is your chance, grab it, see what we can do with it.
Yeah, and I've seen them. They are very they're innovative and simple principles, which perhaps people hadn't really seen before, which you've managed to make some fantastic products out of, which is great. But let's talk about your next great product, which is out. Let's talk about Aircell. So what is Aircell, and what does it do?
Aircell is recognizing that there is a hole in the market. Clearly the whole market is moving towards having energy saving, and the only solution on the table at the moment is to put glass doors on these large cabinets. Glass doors are a solution, but they are not a complete solution. The more you open a glass door, the more the cold air falls out of them, the less efficient they are. And in heavily traded areas where there's a big footfall, a glass door will actually deliver less than an open fronted cabinet. So Aircell is about filling that hole, and in busy shopped areas, you actually get an energy saving of 30% in those areas that are heavily shopped. And it's a great product, and it's a great complement to glass doors. Glass doors have their place, but so does Aircell.
Yes, no, it's impressive when you look at how it operates. It's a great product. So, are you able to tell me what's next for Adande? Because obviously research and development is part of what you're doing. What are the next challenges, do you think?
If I told you, I'd have to shoot you.
I thought you'd say that. Okay, Ian Wood, thank you very much, our environmental champion, individual ACR.
No, and thank you to ACR. It's been a great evening. We've really enjoyed it. Thank you to everybody.
Thank you.